Welcome! It's time for another gas canister project, because these can still be found laying around in nature, because sadly, teens are still using them to get high. But we recently got a law against selling laughing gas to kids, so hopefully that will end them. But until then, let's make something better. But I realized that my previous videos using these have been a bit on the aggressive side, and that's not really what the world needs right now. We don't need any more weapons. So consider this video a more swords to plowshares thing. So, I finished the garden trowel. What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
KJ, I mean, for goodness sake, I said 20 centimetres, not 20 inches. It's, what are you overcompensating for there, mate?
I thought you said you weren't doing a weapon this time? Sure, you call it a trowel, but... looks awfully medieval from here.
fine. I guess you're right. As always. Good thing I made that second blade. Remember this offcut from the last build? Am I in the scrapwood build-up now?
Oh wow, it's so big, KJ. It's so long. It's so impressive.
It's hard counting to 30. Now, I have the clock over on the screen there, but then I'm not looking in the camera, am I? Now I am, but if I look there, it's like, I don't know what time it is. Never does. Don't care.